What's up, everybody? This is Jay Jones coming at you from Donley Ford of Shelby. And I'd like to take a little bit of your time just to show you the 2023 Ford Escape Active. As you can see, it has a silver tint to it with aluminum wheels. As we head inside, you'll see that it has a cloth interior, as well as lane keep assist, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as an all touchscreen center stack screen. This Escape Active is equipped with 17-inch aluminum wheels, as well as equipped with the cold weather package. And as you can see, it has a spacious trunk for you to store your luggage and or groceries. If you or anybody you know are in the market looking for a vehicle, stop down at Donley Ford of Shelby, 249 Mansfield Ave, and ask for Jay.